Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this nice thick bag here. That is, if I can get to it without cutting everything else. It's one of those padded envelopes. I'm glad they send them that way. It protects everything. Get it out of its bag. All right. This bag comes from the BiggestCraft store. Trying to snap that button for some reason. There we go. Comes from the BiggestCraft store, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right here and in the description box below. So let me put these scissors away, and we'll take the first one on top. And this one is 15 by 19. It's not very big, and it was $2.99. If I can get it out of there. Get a hold of everything. It is a Joy Sunday kit, 14 count, and it's called Winter Snow Scenery 2. So we have some birds and we have a little bench. It's kind of not an abstract, maybe just suggestive of these things. There is some back stitching, but it's not very big. Let's see what we have over here. It is 56 by 77. We have two sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom goes to the canvas. We have a total of 29 colors. This has 27 colors in full stitch, 1 in French knot, which is B5200, and we have 4 in back stitch. So not too bad. We'll see what the canvas looks like. Here's the pattern. And you can see it's kind of long back stitch, so it just kind of goes around a few things just as to make them look more detailed, but not too bad. It is full coverage that I'm seeing. Let me look at what's the back stitch. There is no half cross stitch in this, so it is full cross all throughout. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's take a look at the colors. It comes on a regular thread card. Oh my goodness. Yes, between coughing and sneezing today, I'm telling you, it was kind of windy yesterday. Anyway, let's take a look at the colors. It does come with 2 needles. It comes on a regular thread card, as I said. It has blues. We have some grayish and charcoal colors. Kind of pale blue, some yellows, yellow orange, if you will. Kind of a brick red. And like I said, they're using B5200, which is this color. This is 310 black. Must be for the back stitching. So yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. And like I said, it's postage stamp size. And it goes this way. And you really cannot tell from this what everything is, because the back stitching is absolutely going to make this. But they're all clear symbols. And you have a nice key running down here. You do have the extra set of numbers that I said was for the canvas, so if you have to look up any number, because they are quite small, so you have back stitch, your French knot, and the rest of it is your full cross. So let's, whoops, if I can get a hold of the tape measure. It is about an 1/8 of an inch short of 6 inches or 15 centimeters by 19.5 centimeters, or almost 7.75 inches. And this way it is little over 5.5 inches, or 14 centimeters, by 4 inches, or 10 centimeters. So not too big. And since it's full cross stitch, just stitch. And then you can put in all the back stitching to make it all come out. Sometimes they are so small. Now the next one is a spring kit. You get it out of its lovely envelope, reusable plastic envelope. They are lovely. They're nice, big, durable. Now this kit is 40 by 55, $14.99. Let's get to the picture first. Is that not luscious? Look at all those flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it is 14 count. 40 by 55. Okay, that's what I said. I thought it, for some reason, it was different. It's 170 stitches by 240. Does come with a sheet on how to start, how to finish. So if you've never done cross stitch, you'll have that. This little pattern booklet is separated into 4 parts. We have a total of 55 colors, plus the 3 in mixed colors. So you have full cross, back stitch, and mixed threads. So, yeah, 310 black. Anything else we know? We have 814 and 816, I believe, are brick red. We have 823, which is a dark blue. Let's see. Anything else? We have 3770, which is that butter color. And we have 3799, which is the charcoal color. And B5200 for a white. So very nice. Let's take a look at the pattern. Now what I was looking for, nope, there's only one set of numbers, and we will use this again to make sure that these symbols are the same as what's on the canvas and what's on the paper pattern. So we'll check that out in a second, but last but not least here, these colors are Egyptian cotton. And they come with 2 needles. Comes on a regular thread card. But just stunning, stunning colors. Very nicely done. There's your dark 823. 310 black. No, that... yeah, I'm not sure. Nope. That is the 3799, isn't that what I said? Beautiful reds. It's 814, 816. Gorgeous blues, browns. Kind of a antique gold. Kind of a tan. Just stunning, stunning colors. Some are bright and vivid. Some are more muted. But just beautiful. They do such a good job of all the colors and all the shades. And I don't know if this is the same size as my colorful town or not, but I guess we'll find out here in a moment. But there are all those luscious, luscious colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Just stunning. Ugh. Yeah. Let me get this out of its bag. Sorry for the crinkle. The canvas does come in its own plastic bag, and the canvas is also serged, oh, not even close to the same size. Serged all the way around, but not the same size as Colorful Town. It's about half that size. Let's give it a measure. It is 53 centimeters or 20 3/4 inches by 41 centimeters or 16 1/4 inches. Actual picture is 12 inches or 30 1/2 centimeters by 43 1/2 centimeters or a little over 17 inches. And it is full coverage. And it has no half cross stitch, no French knots, no back stitch. Maybe it does. Let me look. I gotta get this all wound up, or if I don't, you know, it'll go boing and we'll be everywhere. Let me put that there. Let me look again. It does have back stitch. So it's just in the lines, the stems of the flowers. I'm not seeing it. Let me get to a page. Yeah, it's just in the flowers on the hill. You can just see. So it's nominal back stitching, a little bit around the flowers. Nothing too horrendous. Let me flip it. See, there's just a little bit around the flowers. Just here and there to give it a little bit more definition. But I fell in love with those flowers. Look at them. Can you just smell them? I mean, seriously. Just gorgeous. Now I'm going to fold this and then show you what the canvas looks like. Got a pin under there. Won't lay down. Let me do that one more time. My bad. There you go. But very clear printing, very easy to see symbols. This thing is going to be confettied. Confetti Manetti. Yep. So I just take a section and do a section and go on and do a section. Yeah. Because it'll frustrate the heck out of you if you go one 6-strand thing at a time. You'd be all over the place. So very nice, but lots and lots of colors. Ugh, just gorgeous. I just love the flowers. You know, if I could just do this hill, and leave all the water out, just do that hill, I would be a happy camper. Yeah. Yep. Just beautiful. Spring Company does an awesome job. Now, BiggestCraft has, let me see. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for those 2 gorgeous kits. I love them totally. They do not have diamond painting. They have cross stitch. They have counted cross stitch. They have latch hook. And they always have a wide selection, great prices. And I believe right now they're having an 18% off site-wide sale. So do check them out. They've always got something for everybody. I have ordered from them personally, and they have great customer service and great delivery, at least here in the States. That's all I know because that's where I live. I can't account for any place else in the world. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.